You know what time it is? 5 minutes in the creek time. That creek, big Jew. Yeah. Right there. Oh yeah, give it to me. Let's go. Come on. Yeah. Sir.
Fucking driving this right fucking there. Give me that shit.
Yeah. There in the creek. Come on now.
Covered body.
Get your ass in that cold water, Jeffrey. Every single day. Let's go.
Scared that shit, scared of the wetness, Jeff?
Recovery, relaxation to your muscles, your body, your mind, therapeutic, it's therapy. Yeah. Yeah, right there, chat. 5 minutes in the creek every single day. You already know. Well, guys, that was a 5 minute timer. Yeah, come on now. Right fucking there, chat. In that fucking cold water. In that cold plunge every single day. That's what we do. Right there.